Hola everyone, welcome to Cooking For You. Are you looking for an easy recipe to make a quick, easy, sweet? And that today we are going to make with Rava, and that is Rava Halwa. With simple ingredients, we are going to make a quick, sweet recipe. So what is the process? Let's go and check it out. Ready for easy peasy Rava Halwa? Let's begin. For this we need rava, sugar, ghee, kaju, Kishmish, food color and milk. Let's begin. In a very cleansed pan, we are adding ghee. Yeah, this is a non-stick pan. This helps making sweets easy. In ghee, add rava and make sure you just mix the ghee into rava very thoroughly on a very low flame, that it should not get burnt, because the aroma now this is going to leave is awesome. In a separate pan, add again ghee. We are using homemade pure ghee. Add water to it. When the water comes to boil, close the lid. Now our water is boiling. After open boil of 10 minutes, add milk to it. Stir it thoroughly cause ghee gonna stick into the bottom of the pan. Now close the lid again. After the milk is on to boil, add the ghee rava mixture to the milk and make sure you do the process slowly because we don't want lumps into it. Putting all together can make lumps of rava. Very easily do it on a low flame. Now add sugar as per your taste and give it a quick mix. Keep stirring until you find the milk gets soaked. Now here we are adding food color. You can add any color which you like, green or somewhat. Here we are using orange or bit yellowish food color. Now close the lid. Now in another pan, take ghee. This we are using for garnishing purpose. As ghee gets melted, add kaju to it. Give it a stir, let it become bit brownish. See, here you can use all sort of dry fruits, whatever you like. It's not important like you need to use just kaju. You can use badam, pista, walnuts or any dry fruits that you like and your family likes. Now here we are adding kishmish to it. And garnish it on the halwa. The mouth-watering rava is ready. Isn't it so quick? So guys, what are you waiting for? Go and make it right now. And let us know in the comments how did you like it. For more such videos, give it a comment, like and share. Thank you. See you again.